Okay, good afternoon and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing the Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a two-dimensional part that has dimensions in millimeters. So we're going to go ahead and open the program. We're going to come up here to File, we're going to select New Design. Then we're going to go click this eye icon to go to Plan View. We're going to come back up to File, go to Design Spark Options, navigate over to Units, and change Imperial down to Metric. And then we'll click OK. Now we're going to minimize. We're going to bring in a sample drawing. We're going to put that in the center there. We're going to blow this up. We're going to grab our circle. We need this to be, we'll turn on the snaps. Let's move this down a little bit. Grab our circle tool. Okay, this needs to be 20. Radius of 20, so we have to make this part quite a bit larger. So we'll Control minus, grab on the corner there, we'll hold down the Shift key, and we're going to scale up till this is the right size. Okay, that looks good there. This is actually the best way to draw stuff if you're just learning, because you're going to know instantly if you make a mistake. Okay, so we're going to go, let's turn off the snaps. We don't need them. We're going to do that. That's 4. Enter. Then we're going to go grab another hole. This is going to be 8. Enter. Let's pan down a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select both of those circles that we just drew. We're going to select Move. We're going to select Create Pattern. We're going to drag this to the center. Now we're going to rotate this around until we have the correct amount of circles. We're going to select the click off. Okay, now we're going to grab a circle out here. This one is going to be 31, so we'll go ahead and type that in. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our tangent line. We're going to go from there. They don't have the dimensions here, but I'm going to guess this is 16. And then we're going to go put these in. Type in 16. Okay, let's pan up a little bit. Let's go ahead and put these in here. Okay, this is going to be 10. Grab another circle in there. That second one will be 15. Get the circle. $10, $15. Now we want our 3-point arch. We're going to come from here up to here. And then we're going to put in radius of 18, so we're going to type in 9. Okay, we'll do the same up here. 3-point arch. Type in 9 on the radius. Okay, that's going to be that right there. Now we're going to pan up. Going to go ahead and put in this circle here. It's going to be 10. It's going to be 15. Okay, now we're going to grab our tangent arc. We're going to come from here over to here. Let's go tab. Let's set this 55. Let's undo that. Let's pan back up. Let's get our tangent arc. Okay, that looks close. We're going to go right to there. And we're going to do the same from here. Over to there. Okay, let's Control minus. Going to go ahead and move this out of the way. Go ahead and delete. We don't need this anymore. Delete. Let's go ahead and pull. Now the drawing will pan down. The drawing didn't specify any kind. Actually, let's undo that. Got to go ahead and trim this stuff out. Jumped ahead of myself there. Let's go Control plus. Let's pan. Let's grab our trim away tool. Let's get all of these. Okay, let's get the middle pieces. Oops, undo. Okay, let's Control minus. Grab our pan, let's pan up a little bit. Let's go ahead and pull this. Now they didn't specify dimensions to how thick this stuff's to be, so we're going to go ahead and put in our own. We'll just make a part out of this. We're going to pull from both sides. We're going to put in 15 millimeters for that part. This part here we're going to pull. We're going to put in 7. And then these, we're going to hold down the Control key. We're going to pull from both sides. We're going to put in 24. Now we're going to select the click off. There's our part. And the only other thing I want to do is go ahead and get rid of these circles that are in the center. We don't need those. Delete. And then also we don't need these. Example of this stuff, if you wanted to keep these, the only reason you would keep the circles that are the inside, that are inside of a circle, is if you wanted to pull those. You know, maybe you wanted pins, so you could go ahead and add the pins on there. But in our case, we don't need them, so we could just go ahead and hit delete. Okay, let's go to view from top. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. Thanks for watching.